Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a poster mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the poster. After make a selection, go to select, modify, expand by 1 pixels and hit OK. And now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. And now convert it into smart object and reduce the fill. And press Ctrl T to transform and select distort and hit OK. And now again press Ctrl T and this time select warp and just follow the step. And now hit enter. And now double click on smart object icon and import the design here. So now paste the design here. So I already have a poster, so press Ctrl A to select and press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste here. And now press Ctrl T to transform. And after make a transformation, hit OK. And press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. And now increase the fill back to 100%. Create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. Now create a curves layer. Create a clipping mask and now again create a brightness and contrast layer and again create a clipping mask, increase the brightness and reduce the contrast. And your poster mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.